Hello students, today we are going to talk about objects sinking or floating and why that happens. Let's begin by talking about why do objects sink or float. Different objects sink or float depending on their density. Density is how much mass there is in a certain volume of an object. It's the stuff that's inside the object, and as you can see by the picture in the lower right hand corner of this slide, that objects that are the same size can have different amounts of stuff in them. And the stuff is what causes them to be heavier or lighter. Now let's talk about what that stuff is. The stuff that is inside are molecules. That's what the stuff that's inside the different objects are. And the more stuff that something has, the more molecules something has, means it weighs more, and the less means it weighs less. So two objects that are the same size can weigh different amounts. So now I want you to click on the link to the video and log in with your BrainPop accounts and watch this video about density. So pause the lecture right now, and once you're done with the video, resume the lecture. So now that you're done with the BrainPop video, we're going to talk about how some objects have lesser or greater density than water. So, do you think objects float if they are more dense or less dense than water? Now pause the lecture and answer the question in your head and resume the lecture once you're done. They will float if they are less dense than water. Now you're going to do the sink or float activity, that you're going to follow the directions on the activity and on the assignment guide that you were given. So pause the video and resume it when you're done with the activity. Now that you have completed the activity, I want you to create a PowerPoint presentation about 2 slides and about one of the objects from the activity. The directions for this are on the assignment guide that was given to you during the last class. So the presentation that you're going to do will be presented in the next class when we meet. And if you want to know more information, just follow the links on the last slide about density and different things. And I hope to see you in class next time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Hope to see you in class.